Hello everyone, now we are going to start question number 5 of exercise 14.6. Now question number 5 says construct with ruler and compasses angle of following measures. Here 60 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree, 120 degree, 135 degree is given. With the help of ruler and compasses we will have to construct this angle. Now 60 degree we have got before, like we have done this 60 degree because while doing 90 degree we have done this 60 degree. Okay, this we have done before. Now 90 degree we have seen that it will be in between of 60 and 120. See, if you add 60 and 120 degree, then we will get 180 degree, and if you bisect 60 and 120 degree, then we are getting 90 degree. So what we have done to construct 90 degree, we bisect 60 and 120 degree to get 90 degree, and this 45 degree is half of 90 degree, means bisector of 90 degree. Bisector means which divides the angle into two equal parts. So bisector of 90 degree means when you divide 90 degree by 2, you will get 45. Now bisector of 60 degree is 30 degree, half of 60 is 30, and 120 we have done before to draw to construct 90 degree. Now see how to get 135 degree. Now see between which two angles 135 degree comes. So let us add 90 degree and 180 degree. If you add these two, we will get 270 degree. Now we will bisect these two angles. It will be 135 degree. That means we will bisect 90 and 180 degree to get 135 degree. Now let's start with the construction. Now at first we have 60 degree. So we will start 60 degree now. So for this we will draw line segment. See, this is point O and this is point P. Now we will draw the arc. We will take the convenient radius, and then from O point we will draw an arc with the same measurement. Say suppose here is say A. Okay. So we will place the needle of the compass at A point, and without changing the radius we will draw another arc. Okay. Say this is point B. So this is 60 degree. Now we will join OA to get 60 degree. Now next come to the B part. In B part we have 30 degree. That means we will bisect these two angles to get 30 degree. So to construct 30 degree, again we will draw 60 degree. See, this is O and this is A. Now again we will take the convenient radius, and from O point we will draw an arc. See, this intersect OA at point X. Now from X point with the same measurement we will draw another arc. See, this is Y. So this is 60 degree. When you join OY, you will get 60 degree. Now we will bisect 60 degree, means bisect these 2 points X and Y. So for this we will place the needle of the compass at X point, and we will just take more than half of XY, and we will draw an arc. With the same measurement from Y point we will draw another arc. So bisector means it divides the angle into two equal halves. That means when we will join these two, we will get 30 degree. So this is also 30, this is also 30. Okay. And next we have 90 degree. So as you know that 90 degree is half. To construct 90 degree, we will bisect 60 and 120. So at first we will draw 60 degree and then 120 degree. Then we will bisect these 2 points. So we will draw line segment. So this is point O and this is point say X. So we will take the convenient radius and then we will draw an arc from O point. Suppose it intersect the OX line segment at point A. Now with the same measurement from A point, we will draw an arc. So this is 60 degree. Okay. Now we will join this to, say this is B. So when you will join OB, we will get 60 degree. Now with the same radius from B point, when you will cut second time the previous arc, we will get 120 degree. Now we will just say this is point C. Now when you will join OC, we'll get 120 degree. This is 60 degree and this is 120 degree. In between 60 and 120 degree, 90 degree lies. So we will bisect these 2 points. So we'll place the pointer at B point and we will take the radius more than half of BC, and then we will draw an arc. With the same measurement from C point, we will draw another arc. See, this will intersect at point, say Z. So this XOZ or ZOX is 90 degree. Okay. Now next come to the D part. We will have to draw 120 degree. Now 120 degree we have done before. So we will draw the line segment. Say this is O and this is Z. So from O point, we will take the convenient radius and then we will draw an arc. Suppose it will intersect OZ line segment at point A. Now, with the same measurement from A point, when you draw an arc, this is 60 degree, and from 60 degree, say this is point B. Now from B, that means from 60 degree when you will cut again or when you will draw an arc again, so this will intersect the previous arc, say at point C. So this is 120 degree. This is 120 degree. Now in the next part we have 45 degree, and 45 degree is the bisector of 90 degree, or we can say the half of 90 degree. So at first we will draw a line segment. So we will draw 90 degree at first. So this is O and this is A. So we will take the convenient radius and we will draw the arc. See, this is point X. Now from X point you will draw an arc. This is 60 degree. See, this is point P. Again when you will cut second time, this is 120 degree, which is say point C. Now when we will bisect this B and C, means 60 degree and 90 degree, 60 degree and 120 degree, then we will get 120 degree, because 120 degree lies between 60 and 120 degree. So this is 90 degree. Now we will bisect this to get 45 degree. This is 90 degree. Now we will bisect this and this point. Say this is point D. Now we will bisect X and D to get 45 degree. So for this we will place the pointer at point X and we will take the radius more than half of XD, and then we will draw an arc. With the same measurement from D point, we will cut the previous arc. So this is say point E. Now we will join OE. So this is 45 degree, or we can say the bisector of 90 degree. So this bisector divides the angle into two equal halves. So this is also 45. This is also 45. Now come to the last part, which is 135 degree. Now see, 135 degree is in between of 90 and 180. So we will draw 90 degree as well as 180 degree, and then we will bisect these two angles to get 135 degree. So at first we will draw the line segment. And since it lies between 90 and 180 degree, so we will draw 90 degree. So here say O and say this is A. Now we will draw an arc. We will take the convenient radius and we will draw an arc. Let us extend the line. Say this will intersect OA line segment at point say B and C. This means 180 degree. Okay. So this is 180 degree. So here I have written 180 degree because this radius means this semicircle is 180 degree. Now at first we will draw 90 degree. So with the same measurement, see with the same measurement from B point, when you will draw the arc, say this is point X, so this is 60 degree. Again from point X, when you will cut this, then it is 120 degree. Now when you will bisect these 2 points, say this is point Y. Now when you will bisect this, that means 60 and 120 degree, you will get 90 degree. So from X point, we will draw an arc, and from Y point, we will draw another arc. Say this is point Z. So this is, if you join this, then we will get 90 degree. Now, see this 135 degree is half of 90 and 180. Means the bisector of 90 and 180 if you do, then you will get 135 degree. So here we are getting 90 degree and here we are getting 180 degree. So if you bisect these 2 points, then we will get 135 degree. So we'll place the pointer here. Say this is point Z. Okay, and we will take the radius half of ZC, and then we'll draw an arc with the same measurement from 180 degree. That means at point C, we will draw another arc. So this is 135 degree. See this is point P. So we will join this OP. So this POB is 135 degree. Okay. So with the help of compass, we have drawn this angle. Okay. So now come to the next part.